Right, hello there, fellow Unity devs and those budding entrepreneurs who are out to build their own asset package for the Unity store. So I thought I'd share some experiences I had when I tried to put together the package for the latest release of the Unity UI extensions, which by all means go and check out. It's a wonderful system. But anyway, for this. So I ran into a few problems when I did this, and also throw a few tips and tricks. Granted, some I keep telling people, I forgot myself, but to ah, repeat, let's hold on. So here we have the current Unity project for the Unity UI extensions. Obviously, there's more in here that you generally see in a package because I'm usually testing, building, dev, lots of things. You have stuff going in and out of source control. And in here, so I've got a load of extra folders. There's the main Unity UI extensions folder itself. But even in here, it's because I have things which are local to me that I'm developing on that are not even checked into the Bitbucket site on source. So it's all in this project, it's all there. So we have our asset store. You think, fine, I'll go and package my thing. I've got my project here, I can go build it. So first thing the guide tells you, if I quickly spot out of this, is that you can go up there, you got to get your publisher account set up, you'll create your packages, you need to download the asset store tools, set everything up, all hunky-dory, nice and easy. Right. So we go and look at the asset store. Wait for that to pop up. And then, so we're going to look for the asset store tools. I've already got this imported, but let's just go through it anyway, just for heaven's sake. You'll find the asset store tools. You'll go and import them into your project. Done. What that will give you, if I close this, is this nice lovely tab. Now, I have noticed if you launch this in 5.3, you will get some warnings after it's been compiled. I suspect Unity still need to update this package for 5.3, but 5.2 onwards, it's all fine. It still works, just try it. So in here, and you'll get the package publisher administration. So long as you've been onto the Unity site to register for your publisher, then you'll get access to your publisher site. So there's me. I'm hiding my password. You can't see it. But this is the open source project, so you can see there. Look, I've got loads of sales. It's not published yet. So we look in the packages here. And I've got one already here. So if you're starting your own, you'll go and create a package. And then there's the first few things which are not obvious. So in here, you obviously need to set your version, your first release, and your category and your price. Nice and easy. There's no Unity package because you need to update that from the tools. You've also got no title and English. Now that's first thing you can trick up is the fact that that's actually set up down here. So you have information about the package, but then the package definition is down here, and then you have to edit the metadata, put in the title and description and so forth, so on and so forth. That will then update the name of your package. It also then interestingly allows you then to put in some other language. You can put other languages in if you wish, but you've only got Japanese, Korean, and Chinese. Can do it. Then you put your images in, any links to any videos, any links to screenshots. So not as obvious from first thought. Okay, you filled that all in. Okay, I'm not going to do it for that one. And then we're going to go back to our package. So great, we go back to our asset store tools and go to package upload. And then this was the first problem I hit, is that, oh look, I can select my package. I can select, oh, there's that temporary one I just created. I'll have to delete that later. But I can double clicking, selecting, closing, trying a few different versions, nothing helped until you open the box up a bit further, and then you suddenly find that there's all these extra options. So there's the one little first trick I hit. After that, it's easy as pie. So select the folder where our assets are. So it looks at your entire asset folder. You have to create a root folder for your asset to publish it. There's a nice change that eventually was done on here. It doesn't let you just select the root asset folder. Be interesting to see what happened if you did. Then you got something about selecting main assets. Now, as I didn't realize at first, you don't have to select anything here. What this is for is to have you preview. So if you've got audio or if you've got 3D assets or some art, you can select those and then Unity will create a preview on the site for you. But you don't have to. And then you click upload. Now, what you'll find if you do this now is that it will package up everything that's in this folder. You can't limit it, you can't restrict it. I've even got a copy of the exported asset for the project in here, which only has those things for the project. So if you export this now, it'll take everything. So all my development code, all the things I don't want people to see, a lot of stuff which are just placeholders for things, it'll take everything. There's no selection. So don't do it from your development project. First, the second tip. What you need to do, which is effectively what I do to package it up for putting on the Bitbucket site, is create a separate asset package. So you go to Assets, Export Package. There's nothing to import, even though I'm selected Export. We digress. This is the point where I can take a sip of tea. Now, this is Lady Grey, not Earl Grey. This is the daytime. I'm not heathen. So anyway, it's too hot yet. So there, now I can select everything I want. So obviously I don't want all these demo stuff or things. I want all that folder. But there are things in here also I don't want to export. So I'll go through there and I'll uncheck anything that I don't want to put in. So all's good. So in there now, I'm only selecting all those things that I actually want to ship in my asset that I want to put on the store. So once you've done that, here's one I've done earlier. So then create a brand new project, completely clean. I'd always recommend doing this when you're packaging any asset, and then go and import some package your solution. So here, this is the same Unity package I have on the Bitbucket site and published everywhere, which only has in those things which I publish. Okay. Then again, I'll go and install the asset store tools from the store. As you can see here now, all I've got in this project are the things I want to ship and the asset store tools. That's it, those two, nothing else. And now if I go to the asset store tools and go to package upload, I can select it, expand the window to find the hidden secret box down below, select my folder, select any files, in this case none, and then click on upload. Now once you've finished uploading, I'll do this again anyway, it's the same package but it shouldn't make any difference. It's going to go away, put it together, and what it will do is it will even create you a temporary upload project. Now what I'd also recommend, because this is how I found when I tripped up, is that create another blank project, use this upload file, open it and test it. Make sure it still works, make sure there's nothing in there you don't want published. There shouldn't be because you've just exported a package and put it into another place, and then that's done. Then when you go back to your publisher site, you're going to go and you'll see that, so there's the Unity extensions. In here now, obviously this is the latest release. I've got the package there. You check the date and time or what you've actually updated it with. Release status, I still need to update that. Your language, art, metadata, anything else, and done. Then you can submit it and it's gone. So hopefully other asset devs are going to find this useful. It's a nice little walkthrough of how to do it. There's a few bits which aren't quite clear in the docs, and other Unity videos seem quite old now. So I don't know. I'm going to follow this up. There's a very short blog post because it was a video. And enjoy. And if you get a chance, have a look at the Unity UI extensions and have fun. See you again.